Michelle. I'm Joel Gilly. Michelle Estrada is here, our family and consumer life science agent. Boom, I nailed it that time.
No, you add live.
I've been, do what? Oh, it's just family and consumer.
Consumer science.
Oh, I was so close. I was even so confident with it,
know.
too.
It's okay.
She's with the North Carolina Cooperative Extension here at the Maxwell Center. A lot of great things that your programs do, healthy eating, all kinds of...
We just want to encourage you to eat healthy and be active.
Exactly. And throughout the year, a ton of programs for kids,
For
adults.
seniors.
Yeah, like all over the place.
Yes.
So if you have not taken advantage of the Cooperative Extension,
give us a call.
now's your time. Today we've got another great recipe. We're making a blueberry pie.
No crust.
No crust
Blueberry pie. Because we're cutting the calories, but we're not cutting the flavor.
These ingredients look amazing. I'm excited.
Not just that they look amazing, but it's something that you can find at home.
Well, I know, and I'm saying like the combination, I'm pretty
Yes.
excited about it.
So
I'm gonna go wash my hands while you talk,
go
okay?
wash your hands. So what we're going to use today, I'm very excited because this is something that you can find in your pantry, but also blueberries are in season right now and they're just delicious. And remember, we have a farmer's market, so you can come and get your blueberries. So we're going to need 2 cups of blueberries and then 1/4 of a cup of blueberries, and you're going to see how we're going to use that. We're going to need a cup of sugar. We're going to need a cup of flour, all-purpose flour. We're going to need some cinnamon. We're going to need a little bit of salt. We're going to need more sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. We never use that much sugar.
Yeah, it's a lot of sugar.
Yeah, not really. 1
No,
cup
it's not.
and
I'm just
2
picking.
tablespoons. 2 large eggs. We're going to need 1 bar of unsalted butter. We're going to need some vanilla and actually almond extract.
Okay.
And that's it.
I was looking at the recipe before we came, and one of the things that we always like to talk about is this is like a great kids recipe too.
Yes.
I mean, it's just mixing stuff.
And you're right. So
Yeah.
we're just going to do a great job in here.
There's no cutting for me to mess up with today, so we're good.
Cutting.
It's just
You know
stirring.
what? I think you need to cut the blueberries. Just kidding. Well, the first thing that we need to do is to grease our dish. So I'll let you do that.
So we're just going to do this with regular oil?
Yes. And any spray, or if you can even do it with your butter, whatever.
Good?
That's perfect.
Okay.
Okay. So then we're going to leave this in here because we're going to use it in a little bit. And then if you don't mind taking these to the microwave, and we're going to melt it for 45 minutes.
45 minutes?
45 seconds.
Woo! I was about
I
to
even
say.
hear him. You see, I'm just checking if he knows what he's doing. And I think he is.
No. No.
No,
Hold on.
he's
Hold on.
not.
Hold on. I've got this.
45 seconds.
I can't figure out how to use this.
Oh, no.
This daggone. Oh,
I
time
thought
cook.
you
Okay.
were really
Okay,
paying
I'm good.
attention.
I'm good.
Okay, so perfect. So what we're going to do in here now, we're just going to put all our solids or powders
Okay.
in here. So you can start with the sugar. And then we're going to do the flour,
Okay.
the cinnamon.
That butter sounds like it's boiling over there.
It is, so I better check. It's okay.
Okay. I put it on for 45 minutes.
Okay, don't put the other sugar because the other sugar we're going to use it later.
Okay.
So we're good. So, and now you're just going to make, the salt.
Whisk it.
Don't forget the salt. Okay, and just whisk.
Whisk it.
I'm going to get all the dishes so
Okay.
you don't have all these in here. And you're going to see how quick is this recipe. Okay, and I will bring the butter to you.
Awesome.
Hopefully it's not too hot.
All right, I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say that I love baking. But I'm just gonna go ahead and say it that like the single ingredient that I love the most probably in the world is vanilla.
I
I
love
love the smell of vanilla.
So I'm just going to help with this a little bit.
Okay.
So we're going to put that on the side. And what we're going to do, this is the butter that you just melted.
Yeah.
But we don't want to add the eggs just yet.
Okay.
Because if not, you will be cooking the
Yeah.
eggs. So we're just gonna wait a little bit, but you can start putting the vanilla and the almond.
Okay.
So, do you like blueberries?
Oh yeah.
Okay,
I got you. I
blueberries.
got you.
Perfect. Blueberries are not my favorite. But
Really?
when they're cooked, oh my goodness.
Okay, yeah, I feel you.
It's
I'm kind of
one-
the same. I'll eat
Really?
them raw,
Me
but
too. But they are like, I really like them
put
when
it in
they're
a
cooked.
muffin or something like
Mhm,
that.
Yes. So, and blueberries are really good for different things. They help you with your heart,
Yeah. Okay.
but the most important, well, bones too. They're really good for your bones. But the most important, and that's why I eat a lot of blueberries, is they are good for your brain.
Really?
Yes. So.
We all need help with that.
Oh yeah. Well, you know, I don't remember things, so this is really good. Okay. So if you want to kind of mix the eggs in here a little bit, and then we'll put the eggs over there.
So we're gonna.
I love your technique.
Do you want me to scramble them?
Yes.
Okay.
That's perfect. So you just add them over there. I don't think it's too hot. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that we preheat the oven to 350, and we're gonna bake it for 40 minutes.
Okay.
This is minutes, no seconds. And it's gonna depend on your oven. And right now we're using a glass dish, so that can be like if you're using a metal dish, it may be different.
Yeah.
So just be sure that you're checking it maybe around 25-30 minutes to see if it's ready. And your kitchen is gonna smell
Amazing.
amazing because between the almond extract and
Cinnamon.
yes,
Yeah.
it's just so good. Okay,
All right.
so now you're done with that, and I can take all these.
Okay.
And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just mix this. You're gonna put this in here,
Okay.
and you're gonna stir everything, but do not over stir or over mix.
Okay. So what do we want to use for that?
You can use this spatula.
Okay.
So I don't know, but I love this recipe because on those days that somebody calls you and said, "Oh, you want to come over?" You know, last moment thing.
Yeah.
This is the recipe. Because it's like, okay, what do I do? And you're like, oh, I have some blueberries in the fridge.
Yep.
And this is
The blueberry is probably literally the only thing you would have to buy if you didn't already have it.
Right, but you know, during season, normally we're eating
Yeah.
blueberries or strawberries, so this is the way to go. And I really want to try this recipe with other fruits like strawberries,
Oh, yeah.
raspberries.
Some peaches?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, we need to try it. But we'll wait for peaches until August.
Yeah,
is
yeah,
when
yeah.
they're like really, really good. You are doing perfect.
And you
I
said
can
don't
too.
over.
Don't over, yes, because then it will not, the consistency will
Okay,
not be
so we
okay.
want kind of a thick
Yes.
consistency.
And that's what I want, if you can show it to the camera, that way they can see the consistency. So you're good now.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add these blueberries, and we're gonna save the other ones.
Okay.
So, and at this point, you're just gonna go, you know, fold it, kind
Okay.
of. And I'm not a baker, but this is the kind of recipe that I like.
I said I like baking. I like following simple recipes when I bake
Right.
cookies.
Yeah, because baking, you know, like
It's a
they say-
science.
right.
Yeah.
They say cooking is an art,
Yep.
but baking is a science.
is.
And if you're, you know, measure right, it's like sometimes I'm not very successful. So,
All right.
oh, that looks delicious.
It does look really good.
So now we're just gonna put it in
Scoop
here.
it in and put it in?
Yes. It is like
Yeah.
smells good. It looks delicious. So, and again, if you know, if you like pie and you just want to eat less calories, this is the way to go because again, we're not sacrificing the flavor.
Mm-hmm.
And remember, do not lick the spoon because these, when you see these, you really want to do it.
Michelle's
But-
one of those food safety people that
Yes, we don't want to lick the food because
Raw
the
eggs.
spoon because of raw eggs. That's right. Okay, so the last step
Okay.
is going to be to put some of those blueberries on top.
Okay.
Well, we really want to. I forgot to bring a towel, but you know, we kind of want to
Yeah.
get out of those bubbles, and you just decorate kind of with the.
Yeah, this is the presentation part.
That's right. And you're going to see when this is ready, like how cool it is.
And this as
Okay?
well.
And then sugar.
Okay.
It's like when you make these kind of dishes or desserts, you really feel like an expert. Like it's so easy. And then it's like, oh, I can do this. Look at you. Oh, delicious. So now we're going to take it to the oven that is already preheated to 350. And we're going to leave it there. In this oven is for 40 minutes.
Okay.
Okay?
Top.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay.
And let me put 40 minutes. And then we're just going to wait.
Easy enough.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I can't
40
wait.
minutes.
Yes. And remember, we just need to try. We can put it in here, and I'll bring this in here.
Oh my goodness.
So, Grandma used to say, well, let's check if it's ready.
Yeah.
This is the only thing that we can, oh yeah, it's clean. So,
So we're sticking a toothpick
Mhm.
inside of it, and as long as it comes out
yes,
clean.
be sure that it's in the middle.
Yeah.
Because sometimes in the middle, you know, it doesn't get that, that was a sugar. But this is good.
Awesome.
It's ready. You did great.
All right. We're gonna cut it up. All right. It's time to cut.
It's time to cut. So while you do that, I'm going to tell everybody the nutritional facts.
What's my serving size here?
8.
8. Okay.
So you can go.
I'm horrible. You
You're
realize this is
doing
the part no one
good.
wants to do.
You're doing good. So the servings, we're going to be able to get 8 You know what I would do?
What? Another one?
Another one, and
Okay.
then another one, and another
Okay.
one.
Okay.
So the serving is 8. We can get 8 servings, and the serving size, of course, is 1. And the calories 294. Okay. If you were eating a regular pie, guess what? It's between 400 to 500 calories.
Oh wow.
So even when it's a little bit high, we're still good. Fat, 12.5 grams. Saturated fat is, look at you. You were saying that you don't know how to cut it. You're doing good. The saturated fat is 7.4, is high. 97 milligrams. Carbs, 44.2. Fiber, 1.6, and protein, 4.5. Not a healthy,
Yeah.
but healthier
Exactly.
than the regular.
It's not a regular blueberry pie.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
This looks amazing.
It does. Mm-hmm. You
I'm gonna
did
give
awesome.
it a try here.
Oh, and the smell. Mm. All those flavors.
Oh yeah. You know what I like is that literally, I don't know if the camera can see this, but every bite has blueberry in it.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Like it's in the crust, it's all over.
So my question is, do you miss the crust?
No, I really don't. Even
No.
though the crust is really good, I'm more of a fan of the blueberry and stuff. So
Mhm, I think so. Like I said, we're not sacrificing the flavor in this recipe.
solid summertime recipe.
Oh yes.
Like you
Quick.
said, quick. When you got that last minute cookout, that
Uh-huh.
you got to head to.
And it's like, oh, I need to take something that looks good, tastes good,
Exactly.
and it's not going to give me a headache.
This is a winner.
And
Fun
we're
for the-
supporting local foods.
Local foods. It's fun for the whole family. I mean, this recipe, there's no cutting, no knives, no nothing.
No,
The kids can be involved in it. Shoot, the kids can do the whole thing.
that's right.
And it's delicious. And for people who don't like blueberries, a great way to introduce yourself to blueberries too.
That's correct.
Well,
You're going to eat the whole thing.
sorry. Another solid recipe. If there's something you would like to see on the show, give Michelle a call, send her an email. reach out to us. Let us know what you think. If you give the blueberry pie a try, the crustless blueberry pie, let us know what you think. It's a solid recipe. I think it has our stamp of approval.
I think so.
So we're going to go finish this blueberry pie now, but we'll see you guys next time right here on Cooking with Michelle.
That's right.